In the late 70s, when I entered the profession, librarians were already talking about the caveats of about universal availability of information, universal bibliographic control. And now we see this being possible through digitization, through through information that is in electronic format. On one's own, one would not be able to manage information and post it to America. One was almost barred through the very low purchasing power to acquire information from America, South America, Eastern Europe, from Asia. But by having the idea of open access, where it is available there, openly, almost easily, we see this happening all in front of our eyes. And it's not having someone doing it for all of us. Wherever each librarian is enabling it to happen. And information is to be used in order to be meaningful. We are all saying, wherever you are, assist in the generation of information. Let it be collected. Let it be generated electronically. Librarians, be in between. Interact with publishers and manage it such that indeed you make it available to all. So it has helped and been important to authorities. It has political impact, transparency, to users, students, that indeed just by registering and becoming bona fide students of any university, get it. The communities, you have seen a very example of Mary from Kenya, who talks about the benefits to farmers in local languages. It can be processed. It's easy, it's quick, it's fast, and it gives a meaning to information as a factor in development in all sectors. So I see it as immeasurable importance of OA. If only we could get there. But we are almost there. Some of us are already talking about it. Our universities have adopted it as a policy. Even if we are slow, at least we are getting there. Let it happen.